Hey everybody, welcome to the third video in our tutorial. By now you should know how to create ink files, save ink files, look up key phrases, score your content, what the content score means, but also you will have learned about the magical AI writing button and all of the different ways you can use ink AI writing inside of your content generation. Now in this video, we're going to take a step back and we're going to focus on the joy of writing. In this video, we're going to talk about some accessibility features, but let's just start with something that I want to show you. We're going to click here on the bottom on dark theme, and here you can see how the editor is very friendly, is completely nice to write in night time, easy on the eyes. The second, and you can just click again to toggle. Okay, so what I'm going to show you next is focus mode. Okay, so focus mode will let you click on here and it will highlight the current paragraph or current text, headline, whatever it is that you're currently focused on. And it's a great way to stay in the flow. So let's say I am writing here and I click enter. This is my new sentence. If I want to just be in a zone and write with focus, I will use this feature. Okay, now you may notice that it still involves scrolling up and down. So imagine that you wanted the editor to follow you around. What you can do now is enable the typewriter mode. The typewriter mode is going to set your cursor here, and as you write, it will scroll for you. Notice how it is scrolling and always keeping your cursor where you had it. Now these features combine dark mode, focus mode, and typewriter mode can be combined. Now, we added another focus feature, which is pen writing tools. And you can pin this, and the button here, the AI Write, conveniently goes away in the background. That does not mean you can't use the AI writing, because simple with Control Enter, you can have it write a headline for you. So if I were to delete this and just hit Control Enter, and notice this is going to be different on Mac and on Windows. Look on your operating system what the button says. But here I have just generated with AI something, and I never had to leave my focus mode. You can also find other keyboard shortcuts here in this menu. You can find all of the different shortcuts that our program has to offer, so you never have to leave your focus. I love this. Now, there's more. When I learned typewriting, I learned to type on a mechanical keyboard. And sometimes it helps me get in the zone and really get to focus. So we created a digital replica of Hemingway's favorite mechanical keyboard. And that will let you enjoy mechanical typewriting sounds while you are creating content. So I will just click on toggle sound. And now I will just enjoy writing the way. All right, so even if you go from headlines, and even if you go in the title, all the sounds are there. Now, no two sentences will ever sound exactly the same. Key presses go softer, louder, have different variations for different parts of the keyboard based on even the fingers you're using to type them in, knowing that your middle fingers here are more powerful than your pinky, and your thumb is even different. Every keystroke you make on the keyboard uses a different intensity and varies the sound. So no two typing experiences are going to ever be the same. It is all very subtle. It works like magic in the background. But if you love mechanical typewriters like I do, you will love this. Great. So now I would love to show you one more thing, which is if you go in my account, you can go to settings. And in settings, you also can enable additional accessibility modes like Dyslexia mode. which is going to change the font to a dyslexia-friendly font. You can also enable colorblind mode, which is even darker than the night mode, total black. But it also would change the colors and the recommendations inside of the editor. So with that, we have covered all of the joy of writing from a user experience point of view elements. But there are a few other things that I would like you to know. Let's say that I am writing a headline, and this headline is kind of cool, but I don't know how to capitalize. We have added AP style headline fixing for you, where you can just click one button and your title will be fixed for you. How about that? We do more. Let's say that you wanted to add a hyperlink in your article. You can select Mastery Plan, click link, and let's say you do http:// http://www.google.com. Now, if I click this, what Ink is going to do is it's going to check if that link works, and then notice that after I added it, it is going to change it to https google.com if https is available. And the reason we do that is because Google prefers articles that send their audience to secure sources. So we check broken links, we check for HTTPS. These are just a few features that Ink is offering to make your writing more enjoyable. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next. Bye.